Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate JetBlue Mastercard online. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a preferred web browser on a computer or your mobile devices. Once you do that, go to the web address bar and type in www.jetbluecard.com/activate and press enter. Now you'll end up on this page where it says Barclays. You can easily use this Barclays website in order to activate your JetBlue card. So go ahead and type in your card number in the first text box, which is 16 digits long. It should be available right at the back of your Mastercard or credit card. On the next field, type in your security code, which should be available at the back of your credit card you are trying to activate. Enter the last 4 digits of your social security number on the next field, and then select your occupation from the drop down. After filling in all of the details correct, click activate and you'll be able to activate your JetBlue Mastercard online. That is how you can easily activate your JetBlue Mastercard in a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.